Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you how to create the directive in Angular 17. See here, I have already created a project in Angular 17. Now open the terminal window. Here you can see the terminal window already open. Now I'm write the CLI command to create the directive. Let's type G for generate or D for the directive and the name of the directive. Just say authenticate. C ENG is Angular, G for the generate, C for D for the directive, and authenticate is the name of the directive. Now click on enter. Now it's taking this time, please take patience on it. See here the authenticate directory is created. You can see here two files are created, one for the TS file, directory aspect file, and another one that is directory. Here in the project you can see the authenticate directory here. in this directory file you can see here the imported the directory, Angular directory, and directory name of the selector is app authenticate and standalone equal to true. Standalone basically the Angular 17 new feature, they created the default true is the authenticate directory class. So you can remember the name of the command nggt authenticate. This is the command we use to create the directory. I hope you got this. Thank you very much.